Oh, you are there, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Wonderful. Hello my wonderful people, how are you? In here with this beautiful and relaxed environment, I got to tell you that I'm in Lanzarote, which means a new video for you guys. As usual, I do hotel reviews and recommend you best places, to go, things to do and visit. So I am going to be doing a review of the hotel that I'm staying, which I think it's pretty worth it. This is a destination known to have so many hotels, so I'm going to be help you to do that choice when coming here to Lanzarote. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and remember to leave a comment below. Enjoy the video, travel wonderful. So before showing you the surroundings of the hotel, I'm going to show you my apart hotel room. These are the surroundings, contemporary, architecture, very beautiful for this lovely weather. My room is 402, so it's just up the stairs, so let's go. 402, here we are. Wow, look at the view from there, really, really nice. So let's go, 402, as I said before. So, yeah, this is my apart hotel here in the Hotel ILUNION, COSTA. So yeah, it's located in the area of Puerto del Carmen, a very good area because it's full of bars, restaurants, very good area. I think is the most popular area in the whole island of Lanzarote. So as we enter, we see this open style, design. We got here the kitchen, you can, like cook yourself. You got the whole tools, if you want to cook, and an oven. You got like things like cutlery and stuff like that. If you want to cook, obviously on holiday, you don't want to cook, but in case one day you don't want to go outside for a restaurant or the hotel's food, you can cook your own food. These waters, they were here. I mean, they were full. I drank them all already. They were here in the fridge. You got microwave, you got toaster, you got kettle. Really, really nice. So here is the living room area. Got the nice TV here, the sofa, the lamp. It's like meant to be for one person, but I think this is huge. You can at least have 2, 3, maybe 4 people. And the price I think was really good. I'm gonna tell you the price, a bit further in the video, so you stay here. Make sure, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give a like. Just subscribe to the channel, okay? Chairs, really nice open design. Got a phone here. I guess this is to call reception. And look at this, guys. So you got these curtains, you open them, and this is what you got. It's a really nice view of the surroundings of the island of Lanzarote and the hotel. Wow, look at this, guys. Got this really big terrace. As I said before, this is at least for 2, 3 people. Got 3 chairs here. Oh, this really, really nice view. Very contemporary architecture. All these trees, they give just a really nice touch to all these, surroundings. Really, really nice. You got the seaside at the very end. Got this terrace next, which guess what? It's mine as well. So let's go and explore that one. But before that, I'm going to show you the room. So this is the room. Very nice, 2 single beds. Very nice. You go here, like to put your things, this is the closet, a lot of space. You got even, like the iron table, you got an iron, really nice. A lot of space, as I said before. You got a desk, really nice. You got this really nice view from here as well. Nice decoration, very decent sized toilet, with all the amenities and things, like shampoo, obviously towels, quite a decent size. And now we got, like the other terrace here, really nice. That's the one I was just right now, really nice. And you got like these sunbed chairs with the sun umbrella, really, really nice. So this is part of the view that you get from my room. So it is really, really, really nice. You got all this beautiful white contemporary architecture. And at the very end, you got the seaside, really, really nice. Next to me, I got this beautiful terrace, which is also included in my apartment room, which is sort of like a apart hotel, and this part as well. So let's have a look together. I think it's pretty worth it because of the fact that, it's in a good location and it's not so expensive and it's a decent size. I mean, I'm by myself, but I'm very sure this could be for at least 2 or 3 people. And still, even for one person, I thought was very decent price. I thought that the bed is very comfortable. Yeah, it is very, very comfortable. Usually this is something that I really check when I go to any hotel, that the bed It's comfortable, the mattress, because it's important, you know, especially when you're traveling, to have a good night's sleep. Good. I'm gonna show you now a bit of the surroundings of the hotel. So I think on this side is just like more apartments, rooms. So towards this side you got the gym, you got like changing rooms, showers, kids park, and really nice. If you go up, gonna see what we got there. Go here, you know, like this relaxation area with all these sun chairs, and obviously the swimming pool. Quite good size swimming pool. Very good area, you know, for come and, you know, swim a little bit or just chill, you know. Really nice. I think this hotel is quite complete. Go here, pool tables, if you want to play pool with your friends. This is like a party room for some events. Yeah, really nice swimming pool. I think this is, you know, probably the best part of the hotel, especially in a hot weather like today. Yeah, more apartments, really nice. They are even closer to the swimming pool. In the surroundings with all this very nice vegetation, give a really nice touch to the hotel. I really like it, you know. I wasn't expecting, you know, like to be this amazing. It transported me back to some places like in Cancun, where the, you know, like the architecture and decoration of the hotels are quite similar. As I previously mentioned, the name of the hotel is ILUNION Costa. Yeah, they got loads of apart hotels. Really good choice. I'm gonna be letting you know very soon how much I paid for this hotel. We got also a laundry room in case, you know, you're staying here for, you know, I don't know, maybe a week or more. You can come here and wash your own clothes. I think that's quite convenient, you know, if you just bring, you know, not many clothes and you need to wash them. It's really good. You walk a little bit further and you got this kids playground. You know, kids a small park. If you got, you know, family with children, they can come here and enjoy themselves while you are maybe at the pool or having some treatment at the spa, some massage. There is a spa, however, you know, any bookings to do any massage or anything like that is extra, and you need to do it at the reception. Got a gym here if you want to keep shape, you know, during your holiday. You got a gym space here. To use the gym, you need to have reservation as well, so they can give you a key in order to use it. But I can see from the outside, you know, it's just like, you know, regular machines, you know, like treadmills, you know, cycling and that kind of machines. I think that's quite useful if you want, you know, to do some exercise while enjoying your holiday as well. You can appreciate, as I said before, desert vegetation like this cactus over here. Really nice. And next to that, we got, you know, these tennis and paddle courts if you fancy, you know, play some tennis. So I think that's very complete hotel, as I said before, especially for the price I paid, which I'm gonna tell you very soon. I am now in my favorite part, which is the part of the swimming pool. Very nice and relaxed vibe environment here. Not a lot of people, so that's good. Over there you got also the bar and restaurant, which is the same one in which I've been having the breakfast. And you got the bar in which you can take drinks. Here to the swimming pool, I just ordered local beer, which is really good. The cost of the local beer is €4, so not bad considering we are in a hotel. But yeah, really nice and good environment here by the swimming pool. So yeah, I'm very relaxed today. I've been just, you know, like reading some emails, replying to some of your comments on YouTube, putting hearts to your comments. Very nice place for coming and relaxing. I heard that this place, Lanzarote in general, is a place in which people comes and retire, people from all around the world, especially United Kingdom, because of the, you know, the proximity by plane from England. So it's roughly 3 hours and you are here in this paradise, which is sunny all year round. So I am here in my favorite spot of the hotel, the swimming pool. The water temperature, you know, is quite temperate, it's quite good. And obviously with this really hot weather, it's roughly 32 degrees in the outside. So yeah, really nice, very refreshing. Over here, obviously, children playing around. There is the kids swimming pool next to me. People playing, you know, volleyball, or people just relaxing within the surroundings of the swimming pool. I am finally going to tell you how much I paid for this hotel. So it is up to you to judge whether it's expensive or not. In my opinion, it's pretty good price considering there are properties which are much more expensive, offering probably less. It's important to note that this hotel is just roughly 8 minutes drive from the airport, so it's quite convenient as well. Whether you go an early flight or a late flight, you just need to leave your hotel roughly, I don't know, just a little bit of time before of your flight. You don't need to leave very early. So I have paid for this hotel $460 US. The exchange is 383 pounds, so not bad at all. $460 US for 4 nights including breakfast, so I think it's pretty worth it. So now you know, if you want to come to Lanzarote, to look for the Hotel ILUNION Costa Sal. Really good. So let me know if you have enjoyed this video, guys, if you think it's expensive, if you think it's not worth it, if you think you can find for better prices with nearly 2 apartments, I got to say, with 2 terraces, with breakfast included, with swimming pool near to the hotel, with bar. Really good. So this is it for now, guys, and I will be seeing you in the next adventure. Travel wonderful.